Morning everyone, my name is Dari. I am studying grade 4 Allied from Narayana KPM Boys as well. Today I am here to tell about the Bhagavad Gita. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Adam Pradhamodhyayah. Arjuna Vishaya Yogaha. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaya Utsavah Mamaka Pandavacheva Kimapurvata Sanjaya Sanjaya Uvacha Dushyatu Pandavanekyam Vyodam Duryodhamastata Acharya Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit Vaishyatam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamam Vyodam Trupata Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata Atra Surya Maheshwasha Bhimajuna Sama